Today I'm going to teach you how to attach PDF invoices in WooCommerce order emails using a WordPress plugin. This is incredibly useful if you want to automatically send professional invoices to your customers every time they complete a purchase, saving you time and keeping your communications consistent. To get started, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already done so. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin library where you can browse and install new tools to enhance your WooCommerce store's functionality. You'll now see a page displaying all the plugins available for you to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in PDF Invoice. From the search results that appear, look for a plugin called PDF Invoices and Packing Slips for WooCommerce. This is a popular and reliable plugin that will handle the invoice generation and attachment automatically. Click on more details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions better. Once you're comfortable with what it offers, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient as WordPress downloads and sets up the plugin on your site. Once the installation is finished, you'll see the button change. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. After the page refreshes, you'll be ready to configure the plugin settings. Click on the WooCommerce option in your left navigation menu and an expanded list of options will appear. You might notice a newly added option in this menu. Click on PDF Invoices to access the plugin settings. This is where you'll control how and when invoices are generated and sent to your customers. Now to add PDF invoices to every order email, click on the Documents tab within the PDF Invoices settings. Under the General section, you'll see a list of documents that the invoice can be attached to. This allows you to choose which emails will automatically include the PDF invoice. From here, simply click on the checkbox next to Order Details. This ensures that whenever an order is placed and the order details email is sent, your customers will receive a PDF invoice attached to that email. Once you've made this selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply your settings. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic PDF invoice attachments for your WooCommerce order emails. Your customers will now receive professional invoices with every purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.